Are you tired of your website not getting ranked high in search on Google? If so, we're going to share 3 powerful tips to help you rank higher in search on Google. And if you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Brooklyn. I'm the founder of Brooklyn Social, and we help businesses create strategic content that drives growth and sales. We do this through social media, video, ads, graphics, websites, and copywriting. So if your business needs marketing support, you can reach out to us at brooklynsocial.co. All right, so how do you rank higher in search on Google? Well, there are a million ways that you can do this, but I'm going to start off by talking about tip number 1, and that is creating high quality, engaging content on your website. So when I talk about high quality content, I'm talking about videos, photos, making sure that they're high quality on your website. Another thing is making sure your copy on your website is highly searchable. So you want to make sure there's lots of keywords on your website. One little trick that you can do is enter all the copy for your website into ChatGPT, and then what you're going to say is, please optimize this to rank higher in search on Google. And then you can enter the keywords that you want to rank higher in. And then ChatGPT is going to give you the copy to add to your website. We did this for our website and as well as our clients, and it works amazing. So what are some other ways that you can make sure that there's high quality content on your website? Well, number 1 is a blog post. That is a very easy way to create highly searchable content on your website. And the good thing about a blog is that it lasts longer. So unlike Instagram or LinkedIn, posts only get seen within the first couple days or even hours. So the cool thing about a blog is that it can literally last for years, and you can take that blog and make it into an email, you can make it into a social media post, and it's highly searchable on Google. So making sure that you're adding lots of keywords in your blog posts with high quality images is really going to help you rank higher in search. If you have a YouTube channel or a podcast, you can also embed those videos on your website. And my number 1 piece of advice for what type of content you can put on your website is really think about the questions that your ideal buyer has. So what are your customers consistently asking you? Those types of questions you want to create content about. More likely, your future customers are also asking those same questions. So a common mistake that I see on a lot of websites is they want to talk about everything at the beginning. And while this might seem like a good strategy, you actually want to get a little bit more narrowed. So, for example, if you are a business coach or you have some sort of consulting business, you want to put out very specific niche content related to your business, because at the end of the day, we're making content to grow our business and get more customers and rank higher in search on Google. So, you want to get super niche with your content. Another thing is to make sure you're regularly updating your copy on your website. So if you've been in business for a couple years now and you have a blog post that you posted 10 years ago, you want to update that blog post to make it as relevant to this day as possible. Tip number 2 is to optimize your title tags and your meta descriptions. If you're going to search on Google, best food in town, for example, on the top, you're going to see that main title tag. And then underneath it is the meta description. So that's where you can add a lot more details and information about that piece of content. So one piece of advice for optimizing your title tag is to be more specific. So instead of saying best food in town, you want to say best Thai food in Vancouver, BC. Like, you want to add the location, you want to add the specific type of food, any type of keywords that people would use to search for that piece of content. And then same thing in your meta description, you want to be super specific and you want to have some type of call to action, whether it's read this article or join this program to learn X, Y, or Z. Like, you want to get super duper specific. And then again, always use ChatGPT to help optimize your title tags and meta description. So ask ChatGPT, can you please optimize this to make this rank higher in search, and make sure to add keywords. So tip number 3 is to improve your page load speed. Google actually considers page speed as a ranking factor. So you want to make sure that your website loads correctly. A very big pet peeve that I have is if I go to a website and if it's super slow, I'm not even going to bother. And people's attention spans are just so small. So you want to make sure that your load speed is quick. Ranking higher on Google is not an overnight thing. It takes ongoing consistency and making sure you have relevant content that speaks to your audience's needs. Every quarter, you can look at your website and do an audit. What needs to be updated? What needs to be tweaked? Even hiring an outside agency or a person to help look at your website, that is something our team at Brooklyn Social can help do. We can actually look at your website, see what needs to be updated, because we not only do this for ourselves, we do this for so many other businesses. If you are interested in that, reach out to our team at brooklynsocial.co. We would love to help you with your website. So if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel, because we're going to consistently put out videos to help you grow your brand and business. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time.